stayed down from day one, I stayed the same. What's understood ain't gotta be explained, oh no. I know you got your reasons, I've been there, it ain't easy. I know you're feeling game till you get over your mother, especially if I innovate. Be the one to come in between, show you something you ain't never seen. Tell you girl, you ain't ready for me. Hold you down, you can hold me to my words. Sex you up, give you what you deserve. Appreciating all your hard work. It ain't hard to tell that it irk your nerves. That's a game of war, you are on reserve. Looking at you, you just looking hurt. At the point you wanna forfeit, but I won't lose and you can't quit. I said come on girl.
What's up guys?
What is up, Keys family? We are back with another episode of Keys in the Kitchen, or
It's Keys
Keys
of the Kitchen. He might have to remake these.
Or Cooking with the Keys family.
We'll go Cooking with the Keys family.
Yeah, we'll go with that. All right, so today we are cooking some chicken noodle soup. To be more specific, it's the Copycat Bob Evans.
If anybody's heard of Bob Evans, they have the best soup to me.
Yeah,
from Ohio. So Bob.
We didn't get the biscuits. I don't think we got biscuits, dude.
Just rolls.
Yeah, like you have to have the rolls all together. But did we get any? I think you asked me that too.
I did.
Yeah, we forgot the rolls. So we'll start with the ingredients of what we'll be using.
But before we do that, make sure you comment down below, like, and make sure you subscribe to the Keys family, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell.
All right, so the ingredients that we have, of course, chicken noodle soup. You need chicken.
And for some odd reason, they didn't have chicken breasts.
So we got
like no meat.
We got chicken breast tenderloins.
Yeah, same dish. Probably be easier to cook.
Tenderloins. We got some celery. We're gonna cut up. Already cut up the onions. Already cut up the carrots.
We're just trying to make life a little easier.
And we have chicken base. I mean, unless you want to like boil your own chicken and make your own chicken base or something like that. But yeah, chicken base. This is some pretty good stuff. We usually use the whole thing.
Yeah. I mean, I think the recipe calls for like 6 or 7 tablespoons, but by the time you finished doing that, you might use the whole thing.
So we're going to use the whole thing. All right. And what first step we're going to do is, I guess,
probably
start the chicken. All right. So we are back. We got the chicken all cooked up. It's right here. Looks great. Hopefully you guys can see that.
Splashing everywhere.
Really soft, tender. It's going to go in the soup. All right, we got some celery that we have to put with it. They actually got to saute it. Yeah, you can start that if you...
Onions.
I know this isn't perfect technique of cutting, but this is how I do it. Add that to there. That's it. Saute a little bit. Okay. All right. We're gonna saute that up, and we will be right back. All right. So we are sauteing it up. So, time to add. Did you add this yet?
No. I will.
So it's time to add to the water. So we have 6 cups of water that's going in here. I think we have 4 right now. 4, right? That's in there right now, and we got the other 2 by the way. Even though it doesn't look like enough water. Then we're gonna put the chicken base.
Maybe. Okay.
Should have tore the paper first.
Because the paper was holding me back? I don't think so.
Ashley likes to get every trip.
Heck yeah. Paid good money for this.
Yeah, that stuff is pretty expensive. It's not cheap. Well, it is cheap. It's just not cheap.
It's not like buying broth and just adding it.
So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna mix that all together? Or?
Yeah, and then you gotta let the vegetables boil and soften. Because then you'll be eating crunchy vegetables.
Yeah, we don't want that.
So we like corn in ours. We're a little strange, but
Bob Evans doesn't have the corn, right?
no, we're different.
And those noodles that I was talking about are actually right here. These are the noodles that we're gonna use. They sell them in the freezer section. They look like that. They're really good though. We got everything all good to go. We got the chicken. I'll show y'all in just a second. We got the chicken. If y'all can see that. Try not to spill it all over the place.
Vegetables.
We got the vegetables, which was the carrots, the corn, the onions, and the celery, and the chicken base. And we have the noodles. So these noodles, they are frozen noodles.
Egg noodles.
They're like egg noodles. They like plump up. Not really big, but they just plump up.
They get bigger than what they are.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the chicken. I would eat this, but I'm not gonna do it. They're like flour. All right, mix it up a little bit. All right. How's it going in there in the pot?
Going great.
Nope.
It's going great.
I saw
It is great.
I saw your lips move. All right, so adding the noodles. All right. I'm gonna put that back on the stove for.
Until the noodles pump up. I'm putting it on medium.
I'm gonna put it on medium until the noodles plump up. I see our refrigerator. What Cade did to the refrigerator. All those letters. Once that is done, we will be back to show you the finished product that I made all by myself. All right, we are back from yesterday because we had to let the soup simmer.
In the fridge.
That's the best way to do soup.
Cook it a little and then we put it in the fridge.
Yep, that's how you do soup and chili, actually. It's Cade you hear in the background. That's how you get it to be like the
And spaghetti.
flavors.
Dale spaghetti is always the best.
No, that's day old. Chili and soup you're supposed to let sit so that way all the flavors mix together and all that stuff. But it came out pretty good. Came out pretty good. The taste of it, I haven't tasted it yet, but it looks like it came out pretty good.
It's good. I mean, all the broth kind of cooked away, so you still have to add water when you heat it up.
Yeah.
But
I don't know why I got a spoon. Ashleigh, because I hate eating with a spoon. I eat cereal with a fork.
Because you're supposed to eat soup with a spoon. That's why I got you a big one.
But yeah, other than that, the noodles came out plump. Chicken shredded. Still got some chunks in it. Some chunky chicken. And yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. It actually tastes really good. Celery's not too big.
Best soup I think I've ever made.
Yeah, hopefully you guys sorry. Talking about my mouthful. Saw the recipe. Pretty much chicken breasts,
Carrots,
noodles, celery, corn. We added corn.
Corn's
and
optional.
the chicken base and some water. You'll have some Bob Evans soup. But other than that,
And seasoning, of course.
yeah, and seasoning.
I season the chicken.
We want to say a little prayer for our refrigerator. It died on us, so we have to go shopping.
I don't think it was. I think it was the weird power surge.
We had like a power surge in our refrigerator, so now we have to go shopping for a new refrigerator. We may take you guys with us to do that. I don't know.
Go shopping for a refrigerator.
But
before we end this video, again, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell at the bottom.
Alright, see you guys in the next video.
Bye.